Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we are taking Exp25 Assess Chapter 4 Cumulative Assessment Form Conference. I will guide you through this video step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your assignment by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignments, exam, quizzes, and for complete course on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the screen. I can do all online courses, MyLab Accounting, MyLab Finance, MyLab Excel, MyLab Word, MyLab PowerPoint, Writing, Economics, Java, C++, Python, Nursing, Medical, Web Development, and many more online courses. Please reach me out on my WhatsApp and email. Both are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the screen. My WhatsApp link is given in the description. You can click on my WhatsApp link and directly come on my WhatsApp chat. My WhatsApp scanner is given the first slide of this video. You can scan my WhatsApp and directly come on my WhatsApp chat. Let's start our assignment to solve it step by step. First, we will click on enable editing button. So moving on, the title of assignment is Exp25. Okay, I will increase the font size of this title, then I will highlight for a proper view in my video. Okay, Exp25 Assess Chapter 4 Cumulative Assessment Form Conference. Under this project description, you can see your project description to get idea about your project. So moving on, instruction. I will select this complete instruction, then I will increase font size of this instruction for a proper view in my video. So moving on, question number 1. Question number 1 is that start assess, open the download assess file name Exp25 Assess Chapter 4 Cumulative Assessment Form. ACC DB grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of file name. Save the file to the location where you are storing your files. Okay, basically this question we will have to download assess file from Pearson dashboard portal. You can download this file easily from your Pearson portal, school, college portal. So I'm going to opening my assess file which I have downloaded from Pearson portal. Okay, click on enable editing button or we will cross this. So moving on, question number 2. Question number 2 has 10 points. You can see. Okay, create a form using the form tool based on the presenters table. Change the title in the form headers to enter added presenters. Okay, first we will create a form using the form tool based on the presenter table. We will open this presenter table first. We will go to create tab in the form group. Click on form button. Okay, I have created a form using presenters table. So change the title in the form header to enter into added presenters. Okay, we will change the form header. We will click here to remove this and then we'll change this. Simply copy text and paste here, enter added presenters. Okay, so moving on, next question. This question is done now. Next question is question number 3. I have done 2 questions of this assignment so far. Moving on, question number 3. Question number 3 has 7 points. You can look on my PC and laptop screen. Question number 3 is that reduce the field value control width to approximately half their organized size to the approximately 3.6 mark on the horizontal ruler. Delete the subform. The first point is that reduce the field value control width to approximately half their original size, approximately 3.6. Okay, we will reduce value 3.6. Okay, we will go to the tools group, click on property sheet and then approximately size is 3.6 inches, width is 3.6 inches. Okay, we will close this property sheet. So moving on, next, delete the subform. Simply we will delete the subform. We will right click on this and then click on delete button. Subform will be deleted. Okay, so moving on, next question. Okay, next question is question number 4. Question number 4 is that sort the record by last name is ascending order. Save the form as added presenters. Close the form. Simply we will sort the record by last name is ascending order. We will go to our assess file and then click on the last name and then we will go to the home tab, the sort and filter group, click on ascending order button for last name record. So say okay, click on ascending order. So the next point of this question is that save the form as added present as, close the form. We will copy this name and we will save this form. Right click on this, click on save this form as added present as, click on OK button. So we will move on next. Okay, close the form. Simply right click on this and then click on close button. Form will be closed. So moving on, question number 5 of this assignment. Question number 5 is that open the location information form in layout view. Apply the stacked layout control to the form. Save and close the form. Okay. Open the location information form in layout view. Okay, double click on this, go to the home tab. In the view group, click on layout view button. This form location information form is open in layout view. So apply the stacked layout control to the form. This is the second point of this question. We will apply the stacked layout control to the form. Go to the arrange tab. In the tools group, click on stack button. Okay, this is good. So okay, press control and then select this all. Okay, press control and then select this all, or we will simply select this all. Okay, then we will in the tables group, in the arrange tab, in the tables group, click on stack button. Okay, this is so good. So moving on, next point, save and close the form. Simply we will right click on this, save this form and close this form. Okay, now moving on, question number 6 of this assignment. Question number 6 is that question number 6 has 21 points. Please focus on my laptop screen and you can done your assignment by watching this video. If you do not able to do this assignment, then you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. I will do this complete assignment and complete course for you with A plus grade. Create a new report based on the exhibits with presenters. Query using the report wizard. Select all available fields. Choose to view the data by presenters. Ensure that first name, last name is only grouping level. Use dates as the primary sort field in ascending order, accept the default step options and change the layout to landscape, save the report as parent as schedule. Okay, the first point of this question is that we will have to create a new report based on the exhibits with present as query using the report wizard. Okay. We will click on exhibit and presenter, go to the create tab. In the query group, one second, in the reports group, click on report wizard button. So the next is that table queries is okay. Select all available fields. Choose to view the data by presenters and show their first last name. Select all presenter fields and then choose to view the data by presenters. Ensure their first last name. Okay, we will select this all presenter field first and then choose to view to data presenter. Ensure that the first last name is only grouping level. First last name. Click on next button. So we will select first name and last name. Okay. Click on next. So you can sort record up to 4 field in either ascending or descending order. Click on next. And then how would you like to lay out your report? Click on back. We will go to back and we will select date is ascending order. and click on next. So date that primary sort field is standing under, accept the default step option and change the layout to landscape. We will click on landscape checkbox, click on next, and the last is that save the report as presenter schedule. We will save this report as presenter schedule. We will type here presenter schedule. Click on finish button. Okay, this is good, so good. You can see I have done 6 questions of this assignment in my video. Total question is 11. If you want to do this assignment from me, I will do this complete assignment for you with A plus grade, and I will do this complete course for you with A plus grade. I can do all online courses on MyItLab Pearson, Cengage Mintap, MC Grow Hill Simnet, Blackboards, and many more colleges and universities. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and likes my video. Best of luck to my all students. Thank you so much.